Good morning, everybody. All right, we're going to cover the stock market open here in the United States of America. It's 9:17 in the morning, not long until the stock market actually opens. Hey, my name is Wayne McDonald. How you doing, huh? I'm the Chief FX Market Strategist for TradersWay.com, an ECN that offers traders access to the Forex market, but also energies, metals, and indices. As you can see here, we're going to watch the S&P 500, but we're also going to correlate that to the Euro USD. I do live webinars every day, 7:30 in the morning, and we do that at Forex.Today, and then every Friday at FXStreet.com. Hope to see you there. You're probably watching this live on YouTube. Would you please subscribe to the channel and also leave me some feedback. Let me know what currency pairs you'd like me to cover. Any suggestions on currency pairs? Let me know. We'll also use TradeTheNews.com today. They're a institutional squawk service that I've been using for 8 years. And so we'll actually listen to the trading floor, the Chicago Board of Trade. So you get a little, preview of what that's like. So again, let me know what pairs you want me to cover.
With 10 minutes to go to the U.S. cash equity open, the U.S. 10-year yield at 2.28%. Treasury prices sitting not far from the lows of the day. The 10-year no future at 126.17 half. The low is 126.14. Yields still remain predominantly lower and prices higher throughout Europe. The UK 10-year falling by 4.5 basis points. The German 10-year down about a basis point. While the U.S. 10-year trades up about a basis point. The
Kiwi dollar, hey Ron?
Yields most stark at the short end of the curve. The German 2-year yield after that auction in the shots earlier today at minus 0.37%, while the U.S. 2-year at 0.87%. So that spread continues to widen. Multi-year highs. German Finance Minister Schäuble just saying that he believes Germany has the most to lose if the euro fails. We have seen the euro holding on to a good portion of the day's gains, but up a modest 20 pips at 106.61, trade as high as 106.91, following that Mersch commentary earlier.
All right, so Kiwi dollar. So I'm generally speaking bearish on the Kiwi dollar. You can see this going out. This is an hourly chart going out for a while. it's been making a series of lower lows and lower highs, and we're right at this particular support, which I think could be interesting if you're a longer term bull. But we've been doing this as of late. There's nothing bullish about that. But then if I swing this out to a 4-hour chart, if the market was going to turn bullish, it would do it here, which, and I did this last week, or no, last month. I don't know. We've been watching this a while. So, you know, even though over the last several weeks it's been bearish, it'd be interesting if it did kick north here. And as you can see, back in early October, that's what I was suggesting. In fact, late September, I mean, it's middle of November now, right? I was expecting a fall maybe back to the 618 and then maybe a rise. Well, the thing is, we're just testing that level now. Isn't that neat? So, boy, oh boy, if I were me, what I would be doing is I would watch this Kiwi dollar area on a smaller time frame than this 4-hour, look for reversal patterns, but I wouldn't long this, even though I have it set up to go long. Okay, I would long the Kiwi yen. Does that make sense? But as you guys know, I did the dairy auction yesterday, and that is still very bearish for the Kiwi dollar.
Colombia Finance Minister Cardenas just saying he believes the weak peso there has largely been a reaction to the drop in oil prices.
So I would look for the opportunity to go long Kiwi yen if the Kiwi US dollar starts to find support at that support level. I would look for the long opportunity on Kiwi yen. Okay, so here's Kiwi yen, and I guess I got to zoom in. This is a 4-hour. Oh, not in, not out. There's nothing bullish about this at all, is there? So you got to be very careful, right? Okay, so is it ready now? No, it's not ready, but maybe it could be in the near future, and that's what you need to pay attention to. Being prepared, having a plan, observing before it happens, and preparing before it happens, right? So we're about 4.5 minutes now to the stock market open. So that should be fun when it opens. So we're about 4.5 minutes to the stock market open. So what do you think of the YouTube page? Is it working out all right for you guys? What do you think? Any feedback? Lots of yeses, works very good, fine. All right. Works nice. Cool. So let me put TradeTheNews.com on. Remember, it's a live institutional squawk service, and what you're going to hear is things like 2.5, 280, 2.5, 280. And what that is there's a guy or a couple of guys actually sitting in a desk just up above, sort of like a viewing gallery almost, above the S&P 500 trading pit on the floor of the Chicago Board of Trade. I actually went to visit them several years ago. But anyways, from their desk, they can actually see the hand signals of the buyers and the sellers on the trading floor. And when they're reading 2.5, 280, they're actually reading to you the bid-ask spread. So like if I'm trading, this is a currency, right? So you see how 79.70 versus 79.73? They're not going to say 79.73, 79.70 versus 79.73. They're only going to read the even, which is the 0, and the 3.
Finance Minister Schäuble
Right?
calling on
And they're just going to
weaker
read
euro
the
area
last
states
part
to
of the S&P
boost
500
competitiveness.
price. So that's what they're doing, and again, they're reading the hand signals, so they're getting it before it appears on your chart, which I think is pretty cool. So let's go over there now, just to get the open. And again, we're going to listen to see if Goldman Sachs is buying $1 billion or selling $1 billion at the open, and give us kind of a market sentiment. So now we're actually at the Chicago Board of Trade now, on the trading floor. How cool is that? Can you hear them? All right.
Opening range 53 half. 53 half bid at 54 even and 3 half bid at 4. 3 half 4 even. 4 even bid, 4 even, 4 half. 54 even bid and a half.
Euro dollar still caught in that 4-hour bear trap.
4 even, 4 half. 54 even bid and a half. 4 even, 4 half. 54 half bid.
I'm watching Euro cautiously here.
4 half 5 even on a low 53.20 off or low. 4 half 5 even. 54 half bid at 55, 4 half, 5 even. 5 even bid, 55 even, 55 half, 5 even, 5 half. What's that? 5 even, 5 half.
Back above the bullish 382.
5 even, 5 half. 5 even, 5 half. 5 half.
If you have a question,
Even, 5 half, 6 even.
please leave a comment or respond. Also, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel, huh?
At 5 half, 5 even, 5 half. 5 half bid at 6. 5 half, 6 even. At 5 half, 5 even, 5 half. Yeah. Then I leave. 5 even, 5 half. Goldman bought 5. Four even, 4 half. 4 even, 4 half.
Stuck in the range.
3 half, 4 even. At 3 half, 3 even, 3 half.
All right, if foreigners are buying the S&P 500 because it's rallying, they're going to need to purchase U.S. dollars first.
Going first, 4 even.
So in that case, Euro USD down if the S&P 500 goes up. They're inversely correlated.
3 half bid at 4. 4 even, 4 half.
Okay,
At
Jets?
4 even. 3 half, 4 even.
Is it Jets or Jotes? Jotes. Jotesy?
4 half, 4 even, 4 half.
That's affirmative.
Minus 5, 5, 5, 5. 10. He tried to buy 45 there.
All right, so that guy, did you hear him?
It looks like he's trying to buy 60 cars. 5 even, 5 half. They took all 4 5. He's done about 60 cars. May have some more to do. He's checking. I bought another 20.
So he just bought
Yeah,
80,
6 even.
80 large contracts.
This is Boston trying to lift some offers here. Alligator arms, 5 half, 6 even.
Okay, you see that green candle? A broker, I think it was Boston. He bought 80 large contracts of the S&P 500, 5 at a time. Bottom, 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 bottom. So he bought about 80 contracts in about 20 seconds. Okay, so what does that mean? So where's my mouse? Hello, mousey. Way over, wrong screen. All right, so what you got to do to calculate this is you bought 80 large contracts, which a floor broker calls a car, because that's how much how much cattle you can fit in a train car. Anyways, he bought 80 large contracts times the multiplier of 250, which is the multiplier for large contracts. Okay, times the value of the S&P 500 when he did that. So let's just say it was 2060. So how much money did that broker spend in 20 seconds? Okay, that's the question. So I'll bring out a calculator here. So you bought 80 large contracts times the multiplier of 250 times the value of the S&P 500, which is 2060, 41,200,000. Boom! In about 20 seconds, just with the wave of his fingers. Buy him, buy him, buy him, buy him, buy him. And he just drove up, made a new higher high on the S&P 500, and we heard it. We even know what person in the world created that green candle to break out. Isn't that nice? It's nice to be smart money, isn't it?
53 half, 56 half, 57 even.
We can put a face on that green candle. We know who did it.
even. 6-7 even at 7. 6.5, 7 even. 6.5, 6.80. 6.5, 6.80. At 6.5, 6.5, 6.80. Yep. 6.5, 7 even. 6.5, 7 even. 6.5, 7 even. 6.5, 7 even. 56.5, 57 even. At 6.5, 6 even, 6.5.
So you listening for buyers?
56 even, minute and a half, 6 even, 6.5.
Remember,
At 6 even,
at the
5.5,
beginning of the day, some people are waiting to buy low, and others are waiting to sell high. We just need to figure out, where the majority is.
55.5, 56 even, 5.5 minute 6. 5 even, 5.5, 5 even, 5.
So they sold off the weekly M3. The question is, are they going to buy it off this 382? It's actually 618 on the micro. It's a 382 on the macro.
5 even, 5.5.
Right here. I'll mark it for you if you don't see it.
5 even, 5.5. 5 even, 5.5. 5.5 bid at 6 even. 55.5, 56 even. 5.5 bid at 6. 6 even, 6.5. 56 even, bid and a half. 6 even, 6.5. 5 10 cars. 5 and 35. 50 cars bought, Merrill, 2 buys in the kitty, 6 even, 6.5. 56 even, bid and a half. At 6 even, 5.5 bid at 6. 5.5, 6 even.
So how's the test going? Is anyone having fun?
55.5,
Is anybody enjoying this? Is it exciting? Talk to me, Goose.
5.5, 6 even.
What does it all mean, Basil?
5.5, 6 even. 6 even, bid at 6 even, 6.5. 56 even, bid and a half. At 6 even, 5.5 bid at 6. 5 even, 5.5. 5 even, 5.5. 5 even, 5.5. 55 even, bid and a half. 5 even, 5.5. At 5 even, 4.5 bid at 5. About 5 evens, Goldman.
So I do live webinars at Forex.Today Monday through Thursday, and then at FX Street
5
on
even,
Fridays.
5 even, 4.70 bid at 5.
Is this better?
4.5, 5 even.
Is this platform by using YouTube, is it better?
54.5, 55 even. 4.5, 5 even.
Okay, back through the 618. Probably test the bottom of the channel.
Buys 5. 4 even, 4.5. 4 even, 4.5. 54 even, bid and a half. 4 even, 4.5. 4.5 bid at 5. 4.5, 5 even.
I'm going to drop the oil back into a 5-minute chart.
4.5, 55 even. 4.5 bid at 5 even. Morgan bought 1. 4.5, 5 even.
I believe I said earlier it will go up to 42.50 and then drop. Well, it went up to 42.45 and dropped. Well,
4 even, 4.5. 54 even, 54.5.
good enough with the girls I go
4
with,
even,
right?
4.5. 4 even, bid and a half. 54 even, 54.5. 4 even, 4.5. 4 even, 4.5.
So I'm treating oil like a lower high.
4 even, 4.5 at 4 even, 4 even, 4.5. 4 even, 4.5. 4.5 at 5. 54.5, 55 even at 4.5. 4 even, 4.5.
Oh, I'm broadcasting at
Excuse me,
1080p.
4.5.
So whatever the highest resolution is.
4.5 even. 4.5 at 5. 4.5, 5 even. 4.5, 5 even. 4.5, 5 even. 5 even bid, 5 even, 5.5. At 5 even, 4.5 bid at 5.
I think it's worth the test.
Goldman buys
Nothing ventured, nothing gained.
4 even, 4 half.
Oil coming down.
4 even, 4 half.
That's a perfect setup for our USD CAD. Although the US is losing value, I think we should still set up the USD CAD
4 half at 5.
because it's at a launch site, so we should probably set that up.
4 even, 4 half. 4 even, 4 half. Opening range once again, 20, 53 half. 5 even, 5 half. 5 even, 5 half. At 5 even, 4 7.
I have a question here. Does the S&P 500 affect oil? Well, that would impact the demand side of the equation, but not the supply side. So, partially.
5 even, 5 half. 5 half bid at 6 even. At 5
All right,
half,
so
5
here's the
even,
launch
5
zone,
half.
guys, if you're paying attention.
5 even, 5 half. 5 even and 5 even, 5 even, 5 half. 5 even, 5 half bid, 5 half, 6 even. 5 half, 6 even. 5 half, 6 even. 55 half, 56 even, 5 half bid at 6. 5 half, 6 even. At 5 half, 5 even, 5 half. At 5 even, 4 half bid at 5. 4 half, 5 even.
So I'll tell you what, we're almost done this test.
4 half bid at 5.
Even if you're just watching a recording of it,
5 even.
and of course everyone that's in the room now
4 half, 5 even.
live, can you leave comments and let me know,
4 half bid at 5.
do you like it, should we do it again, all that kind of stuff?
54 half bid at 55. 4 half.
Just
5
let me
even.
know, right? Can you leave a comment?
At 4 half, 4 even, 4 half.
I believe once this goes from live, it'll make a recording, so the recording video will be made available on the YouTube channel within just a few minutes.
4 half bid at 5. At 4 half. 4 half bid at 5.
So let me know if how it worked for you. Let me know, any sort of feedback. Let me know if you want to do it again.
5 even, 5 half.
All that kind of stuff. Just let me know, okay?
55 even at 55.
I mean, you're the boss.
55 even.
And, the price for this is awesome, right? It's free. So just tell me what you want,
5
baby.
even, 5 half.
Right? Let Uncle Wayne
5
help.
even bid at a half.
And then everyone will be happy, right?
6 even. 6 even, 6 half. At 6 even, 5 half bid at
So anyways,
6.
that was a Stock Market Live from the Chicago Board of Trade. Thank you to Trade the News. So, and remember, subscribe at Forex.Today. That way, if I schedule one of these events in advance, you will be notified as a subscriber. Okay. So I'll see you on Forex.Today, and please don't forget to leave a comment. Let me know how this went and if you want me to do it again. Cheers.